In this video, we're going to look at answering some GCSE foundation questions. So these are all non-calculator questions. What I suggest you do is pause the video when you see the question, attempt it yourself, and then I'm going to model the answer with you. So, question 1. Pause the video now and give it a go. And then let's have a look at it. So here are the first 4 terms of a number sequence. The rule to continue the sequence is multiply the previous term by 2 and then add 1. Work out the 5th term of the sequence. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. To get the next term, we've got to do 23 multiplied by 2, which is 46. And then I've got to add 1, which is 47. So my answer to that question is 47. Question 2. Again, pause the video, give it a go, and then we're going to go through the answer. So here are 5 straight rods, A minus 1, A, and A plus 4. All measurements are in centimetres and the total length can be described as L. Find a formula for L in terms of A. Write your formula as simply as possible. So a formula is just a form of equation. So it's got an equal sign in it. It's where we can work something out. So we're calculating the total length, which is L. So the total length is going to equal each of the lengths added together. So the length's going to equal A minus 1 plus A, and I'll tick them off when I've done them, plus A plus 4. It's asking me now to simplify that, write as simply as possible. So L equals, I'm going to collect the like terms. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of A. Minus 1, add 4 is minus 3. It's positive 3. So I've got plus 3. So L is equal to 5A plus 3. And that's my formula, because I can calculate the length from that. Okay, question 3. So pause the video and give this one a go. Jackie wants to work out 3,480 divided by 5. She knows that 3,480 divided by 10 is 348. She writes 3,480 divided by 5 is 174 because 10 divided by 5 is 2 and 348 divided by 2 is 174. What mistake did Jackie make in her method? So when we're looking at this, she's telling us 3,480 divided by 10 is 348. I agree with her there. I also agree that 10 divided by 5 is 2 and that 348 divided by 2 is 174. So it must be this part here that she's done wrong. Now, if I'm dividing something by 10, I'm splitting it into 10 equal parts. If I'm dividing something by 5, I'm splitting it into 5 equal parts. So I've got less parts, so the answer must be bigger. Okay, so for example, let's use an easier example. If I've got 20 divided by 10, then my answer is 2. But 20 divided by 5, my answer is 4. It's bigger. What she's done, divided by 10 to get 348, but then when she's divided by 5, her answer's smaller. What she should have done to work out 3,480 divided by 5 is do the 348 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 348 multiplied by 2, which is 696. So the thing that she did wrong was to half the 348. When she should have doubled it. Because what she's doing, she's splitting it into less parts. So each part is going to be worth double. Okay, and question 4. Pause the video here and give this one a go. So there are 30 children in a nursery school. At least 1 adult is needed for every 8 children in the nursery. Work out the least number of adults needed in the nursery. So for every 8, you need 1 adult. So for 8 children, you need 1 adult. So if I double that for 16 children, you'd need 2 adults. 24 children, 3 adults. 32 children, 4 adults. Well, actually 30 children fits in here. I can't have 3 and a bit adults, so I'm going to have 4 because it's got to be at more than 3. Because the maximum number of children I can have for 3 adults is 24. So 30 I'd need 4 adults. 2 more children join the nursery. Does this mean that more adults are needed? So if I started with 30, I've now got 32. Well, actually, no. 32 would still leave me with 4 adults. So, no. You would still need 4 because, and we've done 32 divided by 8 is still equal to 4.